Xizang is setting a very good example of harmonious coexistence between humanity and nature. Ecological protection knows no borders, and cooperation among global south countries is particularly crucial.
So when I very first come here, I'm impressed about the how the Xizang government protecting the environment and how they are trying to improve the ecosystem. And also, I heard that most of the energy, clean energy, almost 99% of the energy provided to Xizang people are from clean energy. So I really impressed about I visited some villages. Met with some people, and they always talk about their ecosystem protection and how they are committed to protect their environment for the future generation as well.